Hello friends, welcome back. The world over, stock markets are believed as the barometer of the economy. Considering it was true, how can one explain over 40% fall and retracement back by 30%? By and large, the cynics call stock markets as an official gambling arena, while most of the investors in the shares complain about having a large number of non-performing shares in their portfolio, which may not be non-performing companies essentially. If you analyze it, mostly we sit through losses for a long time in shares in a hope, whereas we tend to come out of a golden opportunity a little too early. Conversely, those who are stock markets nerds swear by it and believe that if you understand what you are doing and what is not your cup of tea, you will not lose in the long run. The lovers of the market always say that markets are perpetually in bull phase, barring some patches of vicious bear phases. We are new entrants as well from the market's perspective and wish to share what we know with everyone and vice versa. Recent bull run in the small and micro cap has been stunning. We pointed at the rally just in time and did point about shares getting heated beyond a point. We will continue our endeavor, but today we'll talk about some basic checks and balances one must look at before taking a plunge in any stock. But before that, our normal two-stage disclaimer please. Let the markets be the way they are. One can like it or leave it. The irony is that majority of new entrants come here for quick gains and go by tips in several social media, rather than having first-hand control over the share's true value. Believe you me, researching your shares is not difficult at all. We were asked to review many shares, and most prominent ones amongst these were Unitech, Subex, and Suzlon. Well, there are many people who are researching or already researched these, and therefore there is not much to offer from our side. However, there is a case where we think that we can add value, and add value by telling you guys what not to buy. Surprised? Recently, one company, Bharat Biotech Limited from Hyderabad, announced India's first COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, ready for human trials. This company is a sure shot buy, albeit if it is listed. One can easily research that the company Bharat Biotech Limited is not listed on the stocks market. But instead, another company with name starting with Bharat, a Bulandshahr based company having continuous upper circuits ever since. We presume that it's because of the news. Is it rocket science that the investors will regret their misplaced enthusiasm going forward? We could not find any credible website in their name, and we also notice now that internet says it is temporarily closed. This is where research comes into play. BSE is one-stop shop to review any stock in 15 minutes. Do check their 52 weeks high and low, traded quantity to ensure liquidity, EPS, cash EPS, PE, PB and ROE ratios to get confidence to take a plunge. If invested, one must keep an eye on the notifications each time these are filed by the company on the exchanges. These are just a click away, and these are all hyperlinks. Full and free float market cap will be another good indicator. Markets Mojo is another indicator, but it works on trend line and can reverse quickly too. Then there are host of secondary level research one can initiate about shareholding patterns and promoters versus public shares. Do look for substantial holdings by institutions. Also, do delve into financials to check the financial health. And lot more can be researched just a click away. One can key in several dates combinations to check the short-term and long-term price patterns, and the results are instant. Only history will tell whether the investors chasing this share will regret and how much and for how long, or laugh all the way to the banks. We ask you to provide 5 reasons to invest or not to invest in this company in the comments section. Only things we believe are missing on BSE are number 1, linking to the company website, and number 2, which industry the company is. We will tweet them through this story with a request to fix these two as well for investors' benefit. Stay tuned for more as we go along. Thanks for watching and happy investing.